You chilling? Chilling?
Feeling like a villain, bro.
Oh, hey, yo, did I talk to you yesterday?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. You want to say something again?
What else am I gonna say? We're expecting. We just caught a narc.
Yeah.
Or a Fed. He was trying to get us to overrun the parliament.
Really?
Yeah. So we told him to fuck off.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we
Get him on camera.
Huh?
Get him on camera.
We did. We got a picture of him.
You want to show him?
Oh yeah. Let's fucking show the whole world what he looks like.
Yeah, we got people watching, man.
I got it. I took it to your phone.
Take a look at these trucks, guys. Love it, man.
Alrighty. Are some of them here in Ottawa?
Yeah.
All right, boys. This is the guy that you guys have to watch out for. He's a fucking Fed.
Hold on, let me get the zoom. There you go, guys.
He'll try to get you guys to fucking overrun the government and shit and blah blah. He'll try and say anything that he can. He has a fucking microphone in his scarf that I've seen. So watch yourself.
So he's trying to entrap you.
Exactly. He's working with them. We tried to report it to the cops, and the cops didn't even get our information. Nothing. They said, "Okay, no problem. Let us get a picture," and that was it. So careful
Hey,
there.
don't hurt him, but beware, guys.
Listen,
Beware.
Listen. To all those guys who are thinking we should be doing something worse than just sitting around, let me explain something to you. The reason why we're taking shit slow, and the reason why we're doing everything in peace, is to show the whole world how corrupt this government really is.
Yeah.
They tried to fuck us with the news, didn't succeed. They tried to fuck us with the feds, didn't succeed. The more and more time goes on, the more and more they're digging their own fucking ground, digging their own ground.
Yeah.
So far, everybody saw that this place was peaceful. It's going to continue to be peaceful.
Yeah.
The reason why is because these guys are going to keep trying to do some dumb shit, and the whole world's going to see how fucking corrupt these guys really are.
Yeah.
So,
Amen, man.
That's what we're trying to stop.
God bless.
God bless.
We're around, hey, Main Street, Canada.